Alright, you guys, this is my sugar baby watermelon that I got out of my garden the other day. I showed you guys how excited I was, and I'm going to cut into this watermelon, and we gonna see if this is a sweet watermelon. Because remember the last one, it was in the middle, but it wasn't like super red in the inside, and it wasn't like super sweet. So we gonna cut into this bad boy, and we gonna see how this one is. Are you guys ready? Let me show you how big it is. Look at that. Nice size. Bottom looks good. The tendril was brown. I kept it in the refrigerator overnight. So let's cut into this bad boy and see. Woohoo! Here we go. I'm trying. Hear that snap? So I can cut it on this side. Hopefully this is maybe redder than the last one. Are you guys ready to see it? Dun 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 dun. Oh man. That one didn't look so good. What is up with this watermelon? Let me see if I can cut this part. Let me see. Let me see if it's sweet. Let me see. Mm-mm. That one isn't sweet at all. Let me get the other one. All right, you guys, I got watermelon number 2. Let's see about this one. Look how it looked. See? It didn't even get red in here at all, especially around the outside. But I was hoping this part would be red. It's like a light pink. No, I'm not saving no seeds. Let's try this one. This one. All right, let's give this one a try. Here we go. Watermelon number 2. This one's like stuck. Let's see, cut this side. Are we ready? A little bit better. This one's a little redder. Let's cut this one and see. Let's try it. This one got some seeds in it. Look. Let's see. Try to get some of the seeds out. Let's see, taste this. Mm-mm. This one ain't ripe either. Nope. Let's try this one. So I'm tasting this one too. Nope. This one isn't sweet at all. But that's what it looks like. Seeds look good though. Look at the seeds. Should I keep the seeds and try to grow another one from these seeds? Or should I just get rid of these seeds and buy another watermelon pack of seeds for her next season? Y'all let me know down in the comments, and let me know why you don't think that this watermelon was super red in the middle, and why does it look like this on the sides. I know this part's supposed to be super green, but did I not put enough fertilizer on it? Did it not get enough water? Y'all tell me. You guys are like the watermelon people. So let your girl know what's up with these watermelons. I thought for sure that these two would be perfect because they were out there for so long. And the critters didn't mess with it. Maybe the critters knew that these watermelons weren't good or they weren't ready. Oh well, I tried. But you know what? Next year, I'm going to try again. I'm not going to give up. You know Renee over here, Renee's Garden Adventure. I am not a quitter. If something don't work out, trust and believe, I'm going to keep on trying till I find the secret sauce, like I did with my onions. Did I give up on them onions? Nope. I kept on trying and trying until I was able to at least get a nice little harvest, and I did. So, that being said, I'm going to take some of these seeds and I'm going to dry them out, and I'll wait and see what your guys' thoughts are and what you think that why this watermelon didn't come out as good as it was supposed to. Man, I had such high hopes, you guys, such high hopes. But you never know until you try it and you learn from your mistakes and you get back out there and you try again. Trust and believe. Your girl gonna try again. This seed don't look right. If it's not like a dark seed, I'm not gonna keep that seed. We'll just get rid of those. We'll keep these ones because these look pretty black, right? And keep these ones. And these ones came out of a seed packet, so we'll try again next season. All right, guys, I wanted to let you guys experience this with me as I cut into these two watermelons that did not come out so good. Man, had them in my refrigerator, got them all nice and cold, and you win some, you lose some. All right, so with that being said, I'm going to say I will see you in the next video. All right, guys, take care.